What's that? Is it your binky? Oh, thank you. What else are you going to find in there? Yeah? What else? Yeah? Tell me all about it. Oh, we found snacks. Thank you. Oh, you found a book? There's your bunny book. Okay. Thank you. You're just going to pull everything out of there? Oh, temper. Tabitha. Oh, there's your temper tantrum. I'm going to put it on Facebook. Tabitha. No. We don't behave that way. Say, I'm sorry, Mama.